Hello, this is Stuart with the Aerating and Thatching Company. Today I'm on Matt's house. I'm working at Matt's house. And this is a lawn that's about a year old and new construction here. And Matt bought this house earlier this year and moved in. And I'm just aerated, seeded, and fertilized this lawn. I also put out some enhanced lime and 50 pounds of soil amendment here. I'm hoping to bounce this thing back. Pull out a hat trick here. And I'm getting some really good results on some of my previously done lawns. So I'm really hoping something happens really good here. I used a 20-14-14 starter fertilizer, 60% slow release, and a golf course quality seed, of course, 60-40 perennial ryegrass to fescue. And yeah, and it was an enhanced limestone product I used, and with an organic acid and a wetting agent added to it, and just to make sure that it works good. And I'm going to come back in about a month's time. Today is September 24th, and this is Stuart with the Aerating-Thatching Company at lawntuneups.com. And thank you. Bye-bye. Hi, this is Stuart, Aerating and Thatching Company, and today I'm on Matt's lawn, just following up and seeing what happened here after I did the work for him. I still got a few bare spots in here. It certainly looks a lot better than it did when I first arrived. And I had aerated, seeded, fertilized, and put some amendment here. And then here's another part of his yard there. Looks much better than it did, like I say. And I'm beginning to bring it back. It's new construction on a very poor base, clay-based soil. This is Stuart with the Aerating and Thatching Company at lawntuneups.com. Thank you. Bye.